Bullish Ethereum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $8,121.84 and $15,341.26 by 2030. Market investigators accept ETH could reach $6,316.99 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,443.88. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports brilliant agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital currency after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di-Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute super durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer many monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary middle people like banks, businesses, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to acquire or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are in like manner conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to fabricate any solid advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our regular routines. As indicated by specialized investigation performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the decision, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more uplifting sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with sound exchanging action, upholds this. Thusly, on the off chance that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the principal opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or disprove longer-term expectation. Ethereum is right now worth $1,804.85 USD. ETH has moved 0.48% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,735,690,835. Ethereum is right now positioned 2 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $220,957,433,356 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Ethereum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023 Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $2,707.28. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2,526.79 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,165.82. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,512.13. Notwithstanding, We ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,609.71 and a typical exchanging cost of $3,970.68. Ethereum value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $6,316.99 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5,775.53 and a low of $5,414.56 in 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. Assuming Ethereum effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $8,121.84, with a base cost of $7,219.41 and a typical cost of $7,580.38. Ethereum value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9,385.24 by 2027, with a base cost of $9,024.27 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a greatest value worth of $9,926.69. Ethereum value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11,190.09. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $11,731.55. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $10,829.12. Ethereum value forecast 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $12,633.97 and a yearly cost close above $13,536.40 in 2029. Ethereum value expectation 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $14,438.83 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $15,341.26, averaging out at $14,799.80. Ethereum value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ETH cost in 2031 is projected to be $17,686.